Now, on Stephen's law and Newton's law of cooling, we will take one example of each. So here a question is, a black body at 227 degrees Celsius radiates heat at a rate of 7 calorie per centimeter square second. So we know the formula according to the Stephen's law. To Stephen's law. That is, here we can write 7 is equal to 272 sigma into 227 plus 273 of power 4. This will be the first equation. Then next is, what will be the temperature for 727 degrees Celsius? So we write here x is equal to sigma in bracket 727 plus 273 of power 4. So if we will divide it, 7 by x is equal to sigma upon sigma, and if we add it, it will be 500, and here it is 1000. So sigma sigma get cancelled, and we have to take the fourth power of 500 upon 1000. So we can also write this equation as we have to find out the x upon 7 is equal to 1000 of the power 4 upon 500 upon the 4 of the fourth power. So x will be equal to 7 into. Now it is 10 to the power . So if it solve it, then we will get the answer is of calculation, this is 16. So we can write here 16, and x will be equal to 112 calorie centimeter of power minus 2 second. That will be the rate of heat of radiated heat, that is 112 calories centimeter square of the minus 2 into second. Now next we will see the again one example of, that is of the Newton's law of cooling, in which here we will take the formula, that is T1 minus T2 upon T1 minus T2 upon T, and that is equal to T1 plus T2 upon T minus T0. So it according to the Newton's law of cooling, we will substitute the values. Here 60 degrees Celsius, that is a body cools in 60 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes. So this will be 60 degrees Celsius, and minus it will becomes to 40 degrees Celsius, and it will be in 10 minutes. So we can write here 10. Here proportionality constant K. Then also we can write 60 plus 40 upon 10 minus 10 0. So it is 10 0 that we have to the temperature of the surrounding, that is minus 10. So now here 60, it will be 20 upon 10 is equal to K in bracket 100 by 10, that maybe 0 0 cancel, so it will be 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10, that will be 0. Capital T with the temperature after next 10 minutes. So the next equation, if we do not solve it, then 40 minus T by 10 after 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, 40 minus T by 10, 40 minus 10 by 10, and 40 plus capital T by 2, 40 plus capital T by 2 minus, here will be 10. So if we solving the equations, equation 1 and 2, here we can write here equation number 1, equation number 2, solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the answer, that is 28 degrees Celsius. So T will be equal to 28 degrees Celsius. So this will be the answer of this problem, that is based on the law, Newton's law of cooling, and here is the first problem is on the Stephen's law. So in such a way, if you practice the numericals, you can easily solve the problems and get the marks in any competitive exam. So it is all about the radiation, and best of luck for your next exam.